firefighter is here to save lives. Without the fire service, people would potentially die.
Somebody needs to be there to rescue anybody in a dangerous situation. As soon as you go into a burning building, it's smoke and darkness. You may not be able to see your hand in front of your face.
Temperatures could be in excess of 500 degrees. It's tough in there, especially with all this equipment on your breathing apparatus equipment. It's 20 plus kilograms. You've got your helmet on top of that, so it is difficult.
We do carry a thermal imaging camera which will then detect sort of signs of heat, which does give you a vague sort of layout of the room. But pretty much you're trying to travel through a building of smoke and darkness, and it's very difficult.
From an incident commander point of view, it provides us with an unprecedented level of situational awareness. It allows us to know where our crews are and also where they are in proximity to hazards, and also that in the event that something goes wrong, we can deploy rescue teams to go in to help them and have a much clearer view of where they are. It really just provides a safety blanket for firefighters.
This technology would help us massively because we'd know exactly where inside a building the firefighter has gone. Basically, we'd know if they've strayed from what the designated route was. Perhaps they've got disorientated for whatever reason, so we could get directly to them if they became stuck or in trouble.
If I was to wear the tracking device and I was committed to a building, it would make me feel safer, because I know that if any of my other communications fail or if I'm needing assistance, then they're going to know where I am.
It'd take a little bit of weight off your shoulders, yes, definitely. Knowing exactly where everybody is and tracking movements would be beneficial.
Being awarded the GovTech Catalyst funding has allowed us to leapfrog ahead on our ambitions to develop this type of technology by many years.